Hi bro and sis, Mr. and Mrs. Here I will share my presentation. In this presentation, I will discuss about the problem of my cousin confection business named Ade Confection. This business is run by my older cousin and I as a marketing. This company is a small business engaged in the field of clothing manufacturing service. We accept clothing production for events such as commit shirts, official uniform, and many other. The business run initially went well. Demand for message from consumers continue to be there every month. Even though it's not much, but it's okay to add money and spend our hobby. But after the outbreak of the coronavirus come on, the confection business was soon stationary. No order entered. Because there is no permission for the event, then there is no request for t-shirt for the event. After 1 month, thinking of a way out to keep running this business, we have a solution, namely 1. Accept order for medical device, for example, mask, APD, and many other. 2. Make a custom for clothing unit. This first solution is quite promising. This first solution is quite promising because in due course, the corona attack like this. Many consumer. The first solution is quite promising because in due course, in the corona attack like this, many consumers need medical device. Finally, this business that once received order for clothes has now turned into taking order for medical device, such as APD, mask, and custom facial. The second solution is to make a unit t-shirt design service. Because consumer demand for large parties is down, we provide unit clothing. We will market via online, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, many other. Interest consumers can place an order via online, also by sending a design delight. Then we will produce their order and send it to the consumer home. Comparison of solution between solution 1 and 2 is more promising solution 1 in terms of profit, because we are selling a product that is needed by consumer at this time. While the second solution we run is only for interludes, so that the business will keep going. In conclusion, there is no reason if we cannot run a business when an emergency comes. As businessmen, we are required to come up with idea as a solution in order to find a way. Hopefully, the world will recover soon so that other business can also run their business as before when normal. Finally, this is a presentation for final test English. Thank you.